keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened.
Malaysia continues to lead the world's sukuk market, accounting for 45% of total issuance, as the country celebrates the 40th anniversary of Islamic banking this year. Association of Islamic Banking and Financial Institutions Malaysia President and Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad CEO Muazzam Mohammed stated that as of June 2023, the total outstanding Islamic government bonds amounted to 561.8 billion ringgit. He added that the performance of the Islamic capital market is a reason for the country to remain optimistic, especially as it navigates the path to economic recovery. The Malaysia's Islamic finance system, he added, has evolved into a global model of excellence, encompassing banking, capital markets, and sukuk, which plays a pivotal role in the nation's economic development and sustainability. The government, through Bank Negara Malaysia and the Securities Commission Malaysia, has taken steps to drive the development of the Islamic finance industry through instruments such as zakat and waqaf, Islamic banking systems, Islamic stock markets, and sukuk. Bursa Malaysia Berhad signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Indonesia Stock Exchange and the Stock Exchange of Thailand to collectively explore establishing an inter-regional environmental, social, and governance-linked ecosystem to drive business value creation while fostering sustainable development across ASEAN. The MOU was signed by Bursa Chief Executive Officer Datuk Muhammad Umar Swift, IDX President Director Iman Rachman, and SCT President Pakorn P. Tathawachai on the sidelines of the 36th ASEAN Exchanges CEOs meeting. Muhammad Umar said the three exchanges aim to enhance cross-border cooperation and seize opportunities to harmonize ESG measures and infrastructure that promote sustainable business practices in ASEAN. Europe's markets watchdog says it isn't backing down from a controversial plan to restrict the use of ESG and sustainability in fund names, despite a barrage of criticism from asset managers. The European Securities and Markets Authority wants asset managers to know that it won't abandon its proposal. That's after industry giants, including BlackRock, Amundi, and the asset management unit of Goldman Sachs Group, characterized large parts of the plan as potentially unworkable in their responses to an ESMA consultation earlier this year. If fund managers don't like the fact that they would have to commit to certain criteria for terms use in the name, they just don't have to use those terms in the name, Patrick Coulson, Senior Policy Officer for Investment Management at ESMA, said in an interview. India's market regulator said it will remove penalties on companies which were unable to meet a mandatory bond market borrowing quota. The Securities and Exchange Board of India had first proposed these changes last month after getting feedback from the market that borrowing from banks continues to be more cost-effective compared with raising funds via bond issues. The regulator said it would grant more flexibility to large companies for incremental borrowing via bonds. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida aims to spur competition in the country's $5 trillion asset management industry by prompting new market entrants to turn dormant household savings into investments, he told investors in New York. The Japanese government is reviving its decades-old policy pledge to move 2,000 trillion yen of household financial assets into investment, as half of such assets are sitting in cash or bank deposits. We will push hard to encourage sophisticated asset management and to solicit new entrants, Kishida said in a speech at the Economic Club of New York that was also broadcast online. The FIMM annual convention will be back. Are you ready to embark on a journey of reflection, relevance, and resilience? FIMM's annual flagship event will be held on the 17th of October 2023. Visit fimac.fimm.com.my for updates. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, "In the Grand Scheme of Things." Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.